Hey guys, guess what time it is? Hair dye time. So so my hair's faded and I wanted to do something a little bit different than I normally do, and I stumbled upon Feria's V28 Deepest Violet. And I have to be honest with you, I always look at the models on like the covers of these, and she is giving me like Maze vibes, you know, Maze from Lucifer, which if you aren't watching, you should be watching on Netflix, because he is handsome and she is awesome and gorgeous and badass and hilarious. Anyways, so this is a deep violet that, according to this, is supposed to work on dark hair. So we're gonna see how this goes, and I'm excited. And I'm wearing my hair dye shirt. So, I mean, not that you didn't know this was a hair dye video, but like, just in case you weren't sure, I got my special hair dye shirt on. And I am excited. Ooh, we have a color booster. I feel like that's a new, and the conditioner. I feel like I'm used to most of the things in here, but that's a bit new. So, yeah, okay, cool. Let's get out the gloves, which I know are not the best gloves in the world, but ooh, that was a little exciting, more than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like maybe there's a couple too many steps on this, you know? Yo, this comes with a shampoo and a conditioner. Weird. Okay, I was wondering why there was like so many tubes. I was like, this seems like more than usual. Okay, color booster tube. Ooh, oh wow, that is the purple. Like, it looks like blood. It's not though, it's hair dye, I swear. It's not the blood of my enemies. Okay, so when time is up, rinse thoroughly with the shampoo to provide shampoo hair twice. No way! Okay, so it says this develops in 20, so this is a different type. I'm so glad I read the directions, because I typically don't, as you know. Because I'm like, I know what I'm doing, but I don't. So this says, after it's done, after the 25 minutes, rinse it thoroughly. And then it says, with the shampoo, shampoo hair twice thoroughly. Rinse until the water runs clear after each shampoo. It's important to shampoo twice to reduce staining on towels or clothing. Then deep condition for 2 minutes, and then you're done. So that is a little bit different than the usual. So this is kind of exciting. So apparently that color pack, that like burst of purple, is something that could come off on clothes and towels and all that funness. So they want you to do that special shampoo in between. So, all right, let's get started. And here we go. Oh. Points for me, man. It looks... I'm not normally... Am I normally this much of a mess? I don't feel like I am. But I guess I am. Gosh, and I did get it on my pants. And I wore gray this time. Usually I wear black, so you can't really tell, but no, I wore gray, light gray. Go me. Good job, Jen. Way to think ahead. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to check in the mirror to make sure I got the back really well, and then I will use some soap and warm water to take it off of my ears and my forehead, since I know I like to be thorough, but I don't actually want to dye my ears or my forehead. Shockingly. Not a part of my plan. Okay. I'll be back. Oh, I forgot about my pants. I mean, I have them on, I just didn't get the dye off. Okay, I'm focusing. So, good news, turning more purplish, totally. And I have washed it mostly off of my ears and neck and forehead, and it came off pretty well. And I had done the back of my head surprisingly well. I'm getting good at this, dyeing my hair without really seeing it. Okay, and I'm still really kind of excited about the whole shampoo and conditioner thing. It's weirding me a little because I've done so many hair dyes, I've never had them come with a shampoo. Conditioner, of course, but shampoo? No. Kind of weird. So, kind of excited about that. Anyways, 25 minutes is on the clock, so I will see you in 25 minutes. All right. So, some thoughts. So as usual, like, my scalp is purple. So like when I do the blue black, my scalp is blue. I totally get that. It feels really nice. I could not get it to rinse clear. The best I could do was when it rinsed a lesser shade of violet. So I did the 2 shampoos. I did the at least 2 minutes of deep conditioning, and then I just blow dried. I didn't put any products in it. I just round brush, blow dried it now. It feels healthy, like all that conditioner definitely feels nice. And I can definitely see why they give you that shampoo, because it obviously does come off, as opposed to the blue black, which I've actually never had. Any of the ones that I've tried, I've never had it like on my pillowcase or on any of my clothes or anything like that. So I'm not sure how this is going to fare. I'll definitely let you know in the description box below if I have any experience as far as that. I do think there's a purple tinge, but it's not super obvious. So if you just want, you know, black / like really dark hair with a little hint of purple, I would say this is good. I'll insert the picture of what the side of the box shows as far as what they anticipate your color will be. So you can definitely let me know how that worked. But it feels great. It looks nice. I'll let you know how it washes and wears. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's nice. I think it's pretty. It's dark. I'd say that it was cool / neutral toned. If I had to pick a side. Yeah, and it doesn't seem to have like damaged my hair much at all. It did smell like all dye. It doesn't smell good, regular hair dye smell. So just for the record, if you thought it might smell different, it smells like regular hair dye. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll leave additional information and such in the description box. Thank you.